First, I'm gonna kill you! And then, I'm gonna bring peace to the ninja world!
Oh, I see. That is noble of you. That would be justice. However, what about my family? My friends? My village? They suffer the same fate as this village at the hands of you, Hidden Leaf Ninja. How is it fair to let only you people preach about peace and justice? And now, almighty
All I do is cross pain. Headshots.
You are still merely a man. However, I have grown from a man to a god.
Those who do not know pain will never understand true peace.
This world shall know. Such arrogance, what you like to call peace, has only brought violence down upon us all. Be careful of what you say. This is your final warning from a god.